demo we're doing this morning is going to be for the cutting, the preferred cutting method for the Fortress edging restraints. We're cutting porcelain tile today, which is 3/4 inches thick. Preferred method to cut this, which any paper in that matter, would be using the SawShoe. To do that, the perfect method to that is to be able to set the SawShoe as a depth gauge, which I'll show you how to do that. With the spring-loaded device here, we'll bring it up to, let's do 1.25 inches. The porcelain tile is 3/4 of an inch. To make sure that we cut all the way through the porcelain tile, we'll set our depth gauge at 1.25 inches. To do that, I've measured it here. All we do is simply turn the knob here to lock the SawShoe in place, and now we've got 1.25 inch depth gauge to cut. As you can see, with the cut there, we was able to cut through the porcelain tile without cutting through the GeoTextile mesh. With using the SawShoe with the depth gauge, definitely the preferred method to cut it.